Turmeric is hailed as a superfood due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits, including boosting immunity, supporting digestion, and reducing inflammation. Incorporating turmeric into holistic nutrition practices can promote overall well-being and balance in the body. Its key compound, curcumin, is believed to play a significant role in its therapeutic effects. Including turmeric in your diet can contribute to a more holistic approach to maintaining health and vitality. Turmeric is packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a vital role in supporting overall health. These nutrients, including curcumin, iron, and manganese, offer a range of benefits like improving brain function, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and enhancing skin health. Integrating turmeric into your daily diet can boost immunity, aid in digestion, and promote heart health. Whether used in cooking, teas, or supplements, turmeric's nutrient-rich profile makes it a valuable addition to a balanced and healthy diet. Turmeric is not only known for its health benefits, but also for its versatility in the kitchen. From golden milk to turmeric-spiced soups and curries, there are countless popular recipes that showcase the vibrant color and flavor of turmeric. Its earthy taste pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, allowing for creative culinary exploration. With its ability to enhance the taste and appearance of a variety of meals, turmeric can easily be incorporated into daily cooking routines to add both nutritional value and aromatic depth to dishes. Turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda, for its therapeutic properties. Its historical use dates back centuries, where it was employed to treat various health conditions, such as inflammation, digestive issues, and skin ailments. Today, modern scientific research continues to validate the efficacy of turmeric in promoting health and wellness. Studies have shown its potential in reducing inflammation, combating oxidative stress, and even supporting heart health. The wealth of evidence supporting turmeric's traditional uses underscores its significance in both ancient healing practices and contemporary medicine. When buying turmeric, it's important to opt for high-quality sources to ensure maximum potency and flavor. Look for vibrant color, a strong aroma, and organic certification for the best results. Properly storing turmeric is key to maintaining its freshness and effectiveness. Store it in a cool, dark place in an airtight container to preserve its flavor and nutrients. Avoid common pitfalls like buying in bulk without a plan for quick consumption, as turmeric's potency can diminish over time. Following these tips will help you make the most of this versatile and valuable spice.